Window Manager, and yes it is. The flagship has XFC OpenBox and i3, but just to make it another educational video, I can just install whatever I want. I just launch the TweakTool and get awesome on there. I can get BSP, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 tiling window managers, right? And DWM, spoiler alert, is coming. So we have a lot of choices. I choose BSPWM and an error occurred. If this happens, well, actually it's a good thing that this happens, right? Just go and go inside and launch ArcoLinux TweakTool, because things happens, packages change your name, you have, I don't know what kind of packages on your system. So you say to the system, reinstall. Let's see what he's going to do here. Oh yeah, so now you know, oh, I don't have internet, right? Mirror, 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 mirror. All right, stop. I know what's going on. Control C. I forgot to do a mirror. So mirrors change all the servers that are globally over the globe. They are now looked at and arranged in a list, the mirror list. You can have a look what happened now. So we have a new one from today. ArcoLinux mail tunnel is there, and we just hope it's gonna work again. So let's start it from here again, so we see what happens. You only start this TweakTool from the terminal if there are errors. Otherwise, you don't bother, right? It just works. Install. And we have here an issue of packages. So 20.6.1. ArcoLinux BSP 26 failed to retrieve the package, which means I forgot to do another update. Update your databases, Eric, right? Get them in. Now you can stop actually. So it knows what package is where. That's basically what we do. What package is where. It gets a new database. And now we've made all the mistakes we could ever make. And it's gonna work just fine. Mirrors update, right? BSPWM has been installed. The video is not about this TweakTool, but it's common knowledge. It's good that's in the video. It's analysis. Think.